How to add customer product reviews on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can add your own customer product reviews on Shopify with pictures, because with pictures the product reviews look legit. So let's get into it. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and sign up onto Shopify. I'm going to be using a temporary email address to log in onto Shopify, and all you got to do is click on start free trial, wait for a couple of months, and then just simply click on sign up with email, and then just simply add in your email and password and you should be good to go. And once you do that, all you have to do is just go ahead and answer some of these questions. If you don't want to go ahead and do this, you can just go ahead and skip this. What this will do is this will add some extensions or applications into your store depending upon what you need. So if you need an online store, it'll add some customization options for that, brick and mortars, online marketing place, and all of that, right? So let's just say ours is a online store and I'm just getting started and I sell products I buy or make myself, and click on get started. And there we go. After that, you can go ahead and select one of these plans if you want, or you can just simply click on I'll decide later and we should be good to go. So I'm going to select I'll decide later. And once we've done that, we will arrive over here onto the dashboard. And here we can go ahead and get started with it. We can go ahead and get started with the product reviews. But before that, we do need some products. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and add them. I already have a list. So I'm going to go ahead and add the products, click on the product section on the left hand side, and then click on import, and I'm going to import the product list. I already have the CSV file. So here we have the CSV file. If you wanted to know how you can import them, you can just simply go ahead and click on it and you can go ahead and import the product. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and import the apparels and click on upload and preview. Click on import and we should be good to go. And here we go. So as you can see, we now have our products and we can go ahead and get started with it. They're already activated onto our store as well. So as you can see on our sales channels, it's done. So now we can go ahead and get started with it. So I'm just simply going to open up the store in another tab right here. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Currently, we have all our products. So now to add the products reviews, we do need to add an application. Unfortunately, there is no other way. There is some coding methods, but they take way too long and I don't think it's worth it. Sometimes it's worth it if it's, customization option or, something small. But since this is going to be a major application, I recommend going with the application instead of going with the normal route when you go ahead and add some code within the code editor. So for now, we are going to go ahead and add an application. So to do that, just simply click on add apps over here. It's going to open up this pop-up. And then what you need to do is just simply click on open up the Shopify App Store and give it a couple of seconds to load up. And once it's done, all you have to do is search for your application over here. Now, there are a couple of applications that you can go ahead and install. There was an application called Revo, which was a pretty cool application. It was known as Revo Reviews. And I think recently they've changed their name, so this is their name right now, title app reviews. So this is what we're going to use. You can also use other applications as well, it depends on you. Right now we also have this one, but make sure to go with this one because Revo has now changed their name to title. If you click on it, you can see over here onto the search bar, it says Revo Reviews. So over here, this is the original application that we are going to be using. And since over here you can see the pricing, it's free. It doesn't say there is a paid plan or anything, so we can go ahead and use that. And as you can see, overall it has 5 stars and 3,000 reviews as well, which is insane. So we can go ahead and use this application. So we're going to simply click on install. It's going to open up in another tab where we get the option to install the application. And all you have to do is just simply click on the install button, give it a couple of seconds, and here we go. So you can go ahead and pin the application over here onto the left hand side so you can go ahead and quickly access them, and there we go. So this is the application. So here you have some options. You have to install the app, of course. Done that. We have to view our theme extensions, enable the storefront display, and view our brand settings. And over here, this is the enable widget option. This is where we need to go ahead and do that. This is where we actually go ahead and enable the widgets that are going to appear onto our web store. And then down below left hand side, we can see some other settings as well, which we will get into later because that is where we are going to add the reviews. So first things first, let's go ahead and click on view and enable our review widget. So this is the widget status. So we have to turn this on. So as you can see, I've already turned it on and we are good to go. And here you can go ahead and click on the review list to find all the reviews. And over here, you can write a review pop-up. You can select the rating, upload the media and all of that. And here is like a small little preview of what it is going to be. be. So you have the products, people wearing the products, showcasing the product, and then down below you have the bio and the review. So this is how it's going to look like. So we're going to go ahead and add and create some of this up. Of course, you can click on the design section right here and click on the colors to change the color. So over here, let's say we can want to change the title color, text color, model, and everything. So here is the write a review button over here. So I'm going to change the background color to like this bluish color. This is actually pretty dull. I want to change it to maybe something purple. This one actually looks good. Maybe this one, the purple one. So yeah, you could go with something like this. We can change the border color, text color, hover. We can change the star color and everything. So we've got a bunch of different options to choose from. So I think this looks good. And we're going to click on the save button to make sure that we've saved all the changes. And once we've done that, we should be good to go. So now let's go back to the title reviews. And here we can see we have completed it. We've enabled the storefront display. We view the brand settings as well. Now we need to view our theme extension. So, and once we click on it, it's going to take us over to the editor right here, where we have to go ahead and create the theme extension right here. So we can go ahead and enable it right here. So here we have it enabled. So this should be good to go. And of course, we can go ahead and add it later on. So we should be good to go. So if we click on the theme section and click on add section, we should be able to find it over here. But first, I think we need to go ahead and create it. So now that we've done that, let's go back and reload this page and see if we completed this checklist or not. All right, so we've completed it. Now it's time to go ahead and click on reviews. Click on the left-hand side, click on reviews. Here we can see we have no reviews, right? Let's go ahead and create one. So to create the review, what we need to do is we need to go over to the review section, maybe go into our store, and let's say we, review this product right here, the LED high tops. So to review them, we will find the review section right here, but where did it go? It should be over here. I think I forgot to save it. Let me go ahead and do that again. So within the editor over here, as you can see, if I go ahead and open up a product, we should find the option. We need to enable this option right here. So I forgot. Let's go ahead and save it. So now if we go back to the product section, there we go. We now have the review section right here. So if I come back over here into the store section, if I reload it, it should pop up right here. Here we go. So this is the review section. Here we go. We have the write a review option and we have the options right here. So let's say I want to write a review. All right. We click on write a review button and over here we select the product stars, right? We select 5 stars, 4 star, whatever we want. So let's say we want to click on the 4-star and then we click on add a photo. So now we just upload the photo of the product to showcase that we actually do have the product. So let me just go ahead and click that. All right, so I now have the picture. Now I'm just simply going to click on write a review. I'm going to select 4 stars, click on add photo, select the photo right here, and then I'm going to write the review on how it was. You can write your experience, like you can share that the fabric was really, really good, it was soft, it was breathable, the quality was high, and all of that. So write a review over here, and then once you've written that, just simply click on next, and over here the quality was add a title for your review, the quality. And once you've done that, just simply click on next and then add your first name, your last name, and your email address to complete your review. And then hit the done button right here and then just simply click on continue. So now we have written a review. Now whenever someone writes a review, that review will be available over here for approval in the extension right here in the review section. So over here, as you can see, review collected, product reviews over here, average rating over here. So we can go ahead and do that. So if we click on reviews, here we will have all reviews. These are the ones that are published right here, as you can see, and these are the ones that are unpublished. So you can find them over here. And if you click on request queues over here, you will pop up all the requests. So now here are the reviews. So right here, as you can see, by this person right here 1 minute ago for this option, and we have the top quality. If we want, we can go ahead and unpublish it over here, or we can just keep it published. It depends on you. So now if we come over here onto the storefront, let's go ahead and reload the page. We can see we have the reviews right here with pictures as well. So people will upload their reviews with pictures. You can see the name and the title of the product right here, as you can see, and the review itself. So people can go ahead and add that. So over here, 4-star review. If you click on my store over here, it doesn't pop up right here where it should have some couple of stars so that we can see. But if you click on the product, we can see it right here. So you can go ahead and add your own reviews as well. Now, there are a couple of more things that you can do, right? For example, if you wanted to add some other reviews on it onto your website, so to make it look more authentic, you can go ahead and do that. You can add multiple different reviews to different products right here. So let's say if you wanted to add more reviews over here. So we just simply click on write or review, click on I love it, click to add photos, select the photos that you want to add for the product, and you should be good to go. For now, I'll skip the photos and I'll just say it was extremely warm, and we'll just simply click on next. It was extremely warm. And once we've written that, once we've written our reviews, again, we click on it, add the name, and then we just simply click on done, and we now have multiple reviews on our website. Now, again, if you want to go ahead and, hold off a review or unpublish it, you can go ahead and click on the review section to, make sure to unpublish it. And of course, we have other options as well. And of course, we can always go into the settings and, make our reviews a little bit different. So over here, you can see we have the general settings. We click on general settings, and over here, we can go ahead and check them out. The review moderation over here, if we click over here, auto publish new reviews. If you want, you can go ahead and click over here to comply with the guidelines. We can go ahead and do that. But of course, for now, we have to go ahead and read this more. That way, whenever, we have some good reviews, that'll automatically be published. If we have bad reviews, we can go ahead and remove them. And over here is the review request times. Here we have the discount as well. So over here, we can create a unique one-time discount code for each review. So over here, let's say we have a percentage. We'll just say, 5% off, or let's say actually 10% off. If you go ahead and give it a nice review, you'll be offered a 10% discount. Discount code expires after 30 days. I think that looks good. So this will be a good motivator for people to go ahead and add reviews into their products, for our products. That way we'll have more hype around our products as well. We also have notifications as well, and import review settings as well. So I'll just simply click on the save button to save the changes. I also want to edit my reviews as well. And in the on-site section, we can go ahead and edit our reviews. So over here we have write a review pop-up. All right, we select the rating. If you want, we can change it up a little bit. We can go ahead and change I hate it to it's okay, I love it. We can change the 5-star caption. We can change the star rating as well. We can go with numbers if you want, like 1 2 3 4 5. That looks also good. If you want, we can go with the empty type. So over here, this will be empty. If you want, we can have fill it. Think this looks good, so we'll just simply go ahead and save it, go back and see what else we can do. Upload media option over here. So here, this is how it looks like. We can add get discount amount over here. So as you can see, it looks like over here. We can also add video as well, so people can go ahead and add a photo or a video of the product, which I think is a good option. So we'll enable that as well. We also have title page option. If we want, we click over here and we can add titles for it as well. Now you can see right here, this pop-up, it keeps popping up. Basically what this says is, since we haven't verified our store yet with title, the reviews will say powered by title. But if you want to remove that branding, we can just simply verify it. To verify it, we click on this button. It'll open up right here. As you can see, like a text message over here. But I don't know if they are responding to us or anything. But over here, we can verify our store. So over here, connecting you to our online channel. And this is the thanks for chatting in it. How are you doing? So we can just respond to them, and we can go ahead and remove our title. We can go ahead and remove the branding. So moving on over here, we have options as well. So common translation. So these are the common fields. We can go with back and skip. I think this looks good. So we'll keep that as it is. Over here, we have the about you section and everything. So next we have the design settings. Of course, as I said before, if you have your own custom CSS code, you can go ahead and select that over here and add your own custom CSS code to make them look unique and better. They also give you that option as well if you wanted to try that out. Then we have the design section where we can change the colors. Now here, I actually wanted to change some colors. I'm going to leave all of this as it is. Like for example, the background color of like the text color and the star colors. Although the hover color, I would like to change that as well. So over here, we have the hover background. So we can go ahead and change it to whatever color we want. So let's see. So here we have the button. We can change it. But for now, I think the button color, I think this would look much better if we go with this one, like a purple color. And then for the hover color, I'll go ahead and select the darker color. So this I think looks much better. If you wanted to do that, we can go ahead and do with that. And of course, we have the hover text button as well. So over here, if you want, you can add like a hover text option over here for the button list section as well. So these are the star button, the star color. So right here, I think this looks good. And then we have the button itself, and then we have the text field icon. So here we can go ahead and change the fields or the text color of these different fields on these different reviews. So you can do a bunch of different customization options for this review, for this application as well. Now, as I said before, this is a free application. There is no payment plan or anything like that, of course. So you can go ahead and install it. But if you want to remove the branding, you'll just have to verify your store through their chat system and you should be good to go. And after that, you're basically done. And people can go ahead and come over to your website and start adding reviews with your pictures, because that is the point of this video. Now, of course, if you want to go ahead and try other applications as well, so I'm going to show you some other applications that I recommend as well. So let's go ahead and click on open up the Shopify App Store. Now, some of the other applications that I have used and, checked them out are Looks. Like Looks is actually a pretty cool product review application. It's not completely free, but there is a free plan available. It's actually a free trial if you want to go ahead and check it out. So make sure to check out all of these different applications that say built for Shopify. So because these are actually built for Shopify, so you can go ahead and check them out. So this is the title. This is the one that we use. I also have used Looks in the past. It does have some pretty cool options to go ahead and check them out. So make sure you check those out as well. There's also Trust Reviews as well. Of course, this is not free. There is a free plan available. Unlike Looks with the free trial, there is a free plan available for this one. So you can go ahead and add them as well. Or if you want to go ahead and import some of the reviews from your Google Web Store or Google My Site, then you can go ahead and select Google Reviews option, and then what they can do is you can import all of the reviews from your Google Map store and you can import them into your Shopify store as well. So pretty simple. This is how you do it. This is how you add your customer reviews with pictures onto Shopify. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And of course, as always, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.